Good day, gentlemen. Today we are doing a tune-up on 2008 Jeep Patriot 2.4 liter. As you see, the whole job would take probably about half an hour, and the plugs is about $3-4. You're probably a total of under like $30 for the whole job. Now, these are the spark plugs. We're gonna put them on. Champion, as you see, and the gap on those is 40. So, as you see, and then all you need is a Torx 27 or a T27. You take that cover right off. See how the coils are? So the T27, and that's your screw. So you need a Torx bit 27. That will do it. The coil is up here. As you see, I loosed them already. You could take the plug or you leave the plug. It doesn't matter. Sometimes it's easier to take the plug out, but you can leave the plug in. Once you take them all out, use your spark plug socket, the 5/8. Was it 5/8? I think so, or 5/16. Oh, 5/8, I was right, 5/8. And your that comes out. There's your old plug. I see it's all electrolyted. It's all contaminated. Don't touch. The new one, after we got it, you can put any seize off you want on it. I don't. I like it dry. That's how it comes from the factory, dry. If you change them regularly, they don't seize, but sometimes, you know, the dealer doesn't put nothing on them, so I leave it dry. So you just snug it, and then you gotta torque it. The torque on those is 20 foot-pounds, as you see. 20 foot-pounds. And that's pretty much it. I already did the other three, so they go in the hole, as we see. You put your Torx back in. As I said earlier, this won't take you more than an hour to do. You probably save yourself about $400 if you want to save some money. And there's all the Torx. And your car runs a lot better. You know, like if you have a misfire sometimes and you have a check engine light with code P03 or P300 or P0301, 302, 303, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and that will give you a misfire. On those vehicles, more likely you've had a bad coil, so it compensates for, let's say P0302, that will be number 1, number 2 coil. So all you gotta do is just take that coil right out, physically remove it out, swap it with number 1 and 1 with 2, and run the vehicle. If it becomes 301, then it's number 1. So technically you got to change that coil. It's a bad coil, unless you go buy a coil and maybe not the coil. So this is a quick way of checking it. Pass me that, dude. Where's the torque? And that's the T27, as you see. So you put that in. Just snug them. They don't take much to tighten them. And this is all in. Ken, want to start it up? So after all that installed, fire the car up. Make sure it runs. You know what I mean? Make sure these plugs are in. And it should run now. Runs like a dream now. These are the old plugs. And pretty much that's it. Took less than half an hour to do them all. And again, they're pretty cheap to do, I think. For the price of them, I would do them at least, you know, whatever the interval says. If it's 20,000, doing it 20. If it's 160, doing 160. And you save yourself some gas and money, you know, both ways. So if you guys like it, that's excellent. And let me know. I'll put more videos for you. Enjoy your day. Take care. Bye.